Hi everyone. We're very happy to announce a cool new tool that we've added to Remarketer today. With this tool, you can instantly generate a printable promotional brochure for any of your properties. Let me show you how easy it is to do this. All you need to do is just head out to the graphics module right here, and then you can see that there's a new template here called brochure. Click on select. Select the property that you want to create the brochure for. Then you can adjust the colors. You can even use a custom color if you want to. And then click Generate. The system is going to prepare a PDF file for you that you can download. You can print this file, you can email this file, and promote your property the way you want it. There you go. Paginated and ready to be printed. So go ahead and use this feature. Let us know what you think about it. And also stay tuned because in 2020, we're going to have a lot of cool new features added to the system. Hope you enjoy this one. Take care.